Okay, I'm going to check with you on how to get to the PowerSearch topic finder. So from my website, you're going to start at the bottom and go to the GALE Cengage Learning tab. And when that opens up, you're going to come over here to the right-hand side and you want to click on the PowerSearch. You don't need to type anything in for a search. Just click that hyperlink. And then when that window opens up, now you're in the PowerSearch. So you want to use this topic finder to help narrow your topic. So if you click on that topic finder button, you get a search window. So if we say that the topic is going to be, say, women in military. Okay, so we type in women in military. And then hit enter or click the search button. And what you end up with are these subcategories that narrow down your topic into more specific topics. So maybe I want to just see women soldiers, or maybe I'm only looking at what's going on in the United States. Maybe I'm interested, this is the largest one, so this is the most common term that came up in addition to women in military. Women military personnel came up. So if I click on that, it shows that I have 99, over here you can see there's 99 articles that relate to those things. And I can further narrow that. So if I just want to see the combat, anything that has to do with combat situations, if I click that, now I'm narrowed down to 18 articles, possible articles, because we've got videos here, but then there's 9 different resources for us to pull from. Then if I click on one of them, it'll take me to that article. I can send it to my Google Drive from there and then work on it when it's in my Google Drive. Or I can click back to Topic Finder. Log in. And it's saved to Drive. And I can go back to the Topic Finder and be right back with the same results that I had before. And if I want to hit reset, it'll take me back up to the search for women in military. It's still there. Okay, and that's basically how you get into topic search.